This is the Gemmy 2002 leg Snowman after repairs. I forgot to upload a before repairs video because I got this guy broken in shipping. Again, his hat arm split in shipping. Maybe late October. I never got around to fixing him until now, so here's the box with the try me button. It's not as good condition as the try me button I have on my 2 song. See him right there. But either way, it still does have the try me button. Got the box. He works really well, so here we go. Oh, I think his arm just split. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, that split on camera. Holy cow. Well, looks like now I can upload a before repairs video. Oh, dang. That's awkward. Buddy, you good? And that is not on cord or anything. That's on normal AA batteries. So I'm surprised he spins, hip swings, and tips his hat that well. Like, that's really fast. I mean, his hat arm doesn't work the best, but I'm surprised he goes that fast. But yeah, that just split. Wow. He's still open on the back. Haven't patched him up yet, but yeah. Wow. You're right, Mom. Gemmy junk. So, looks like this is now the before repairs video. Oh, dang it.